Are you struggling to execute a bash script from within Python? It can be quite a challenge, especially when your script relies on environment variables set in your .bashrc file. If this sounds familiar, stick around because we're going to solve this together. I totally get it. It's frustrating when you think you have everything set up correctly, but your script just won't run as expected. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when trying to bridge Python and Bash. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I execute a bash script in Python while ensuring all my environment variables from bashrc are loaded? They tried using the subprocess module but ran into some issues. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you run a bash script directly from Python, it doesn't automatically load the bashrc file, which is where your environment variables are set. This can lead to errors and unexpected behavior. Let's break down the solutions. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To replicate the shell environment in Python, the user should first ensure that they are loading the environment variables from the bashrc file. This can be done by sourcing the .bashrc file in the command that runs the script. Next, the user should modify the subprocess call to include the necessary shell options. This will help in executing the script in an interactive shell, which is crucial for loading the environment variables correctly. After that, the user should handle the output and return code from the subprocess. This will allow them to check if the script executed successfully and to capture any output it generates. Finally, the user should test the entire setup to ensure that the script runs as expected. They can do this by running the Python script and checking the output for any errors or expected results. Fun fact, the term bash stands for born again shell. It's a play on words, and just like the name suggests, it's a powerful tool for scripting. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves setting up the environment in Python before executing the bash script. They suggest copying the current environment variables and modifying the path to include necessary directories. The user also highlights that if you add new variables or aliases to your bashrc file, you must restart your terminal for those changes to take effect in the environment. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your scripts are run in an environment that mimics your terminal. This will save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to execute your bash scripts from Python without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to check out our next video for more advanced scripting techniques.